diagnose, monitor, and direct students to utilize and evaluate students in physical and health education.
Question number 2. How can students use assessments as learning tools and how can teachers use them to support learning?
Yes. For the student, assessment learning is actively involved student in their learning process. It teaches critical thinking skills and encourages students to set achievable goals to students. And for the teachers is to plan the individual instructional intervention to develop the instructional strategies and to determine the targeted goals for students and teachers for the physical education and the health education.
For question number 3, what formative and summative assessment tools are used by the teacher?
Yes. Usually we use interactive quizzes. We also use multiple choice and group project. Because we are in the SPED class, we are using the group project. And interactive quizzes.
Thank you, ma'am. For question number 4, what role will students play in the design of assessment or the assessment?
Yes, it is critical or crucial that students understand their role in formative assessment because it includes students' behavior in engaging with their learning goals, developing success criteria, and providing feedbacks from teachers and their classmates.
Thank you, ma'am. So, number 5 is why is it important to assess learning?
Yes, it is very important to assess learning to help monitor student progress and to contribute to enforcing assessment.
So next, ma'am, is number 6. Will you provide multiple assessment formats from which students may choose?
No. Teachers usually use the multiple assessment, but the student may not choose it.
So, for the question number 7, how will students use assessment to verify their self-assessment and monitor their progress towards targets, goals, or objectives?
Yes, it is formative assessment because this is used to monitor student learning process and to provide ongoing feedback to improve their learning.
And for the last question, ma'am, does the investment of time in preparing, administering, and scoring assessments pay off for both students and teachers?
Yes, it pays off both student and teachers because assessment is valuable for both student and teachers in evaluating progress. That's all. Any questions?
Thank you po sa
Okay, thank you.